Hey guys, this is Remy with Clear Vision Support. We've been getting a lot of questions and problems concerning remote connections and getting everybody's systems online so we can support you guys over the internet. It's a lot easier to deal with minor problems that may arise with the equipment. So before we get started here, getting you all connected, we're going to get you to contact your IT staff and get a little bit of information. So what we're going to need from you guys is the IP address, subnet mask, default gateway, and DNS server for the Clear Vision equipment. You're also going to have to make sure that port 80 is open to an outbound connection. So once you have all that information, you're going to walk down to your Clear Vision equipment and click the exit button in the top right. So that closes the BoxCheck program. It asks for a password, which I will provide, or we will provide, either when we're on the phone with you or via email. I just don't want to hand out these passwords right now just to stay relatively secure. So now that we're leaving the BoxCheck program, we're going to enter a black screen that's going to pop up pretty quickly. It's called the shell. That's where all the admin settings are held, including your IT settings. So we're going to click admin down here, and it's going to ask for a second password. This is a different password altogether, which I'll provide over the phone or email. From here, we're going to have to turn off the write filter. So the write filter, when that's on, when that's enabled, all changes will not be permanent when you restart the equipment. So we have to turn that off to make sure that all our changes are permanent. So to do that, we're going to go to the drop-down menu, then Command Prompt, and enter the following. Run program, and we're going to enter the following into this Command Prompt window. So that's FBWFMGR. Make sure there's a space there, / disable. So that's file-based write filter manager, and we're going to disable that. And once we do that, we get a little message here that says file-based write filter will be disabled upon next reboot. So we can close this window, and we're going to click restart after that. I'm not going to click restart this time because it takes a little bit of time, but from there it'll restart the BoxCheck program. So you're going to have to click exit, enter your exit password, and then click admin and enter your admin password. That'll take you back to this window. After that, we're going to go into the network connections page, which is found in the drop-down menu and Explorer. Run program. We're going to go into My Computer, click Control Panel, go to Network Connections, and we're going to see all the networks that are connected here. So the top one is TeamViewer VPN. We actually don't have to worry about that, so disregard that one. The most important one is going to be called LAN, or in some cases Plant Network. And the final one is Local Area Connection 3, which houses all the IP settings for the cameras themselves. So they have an IP address that's something like 169 or something like that. So some of you guys have more or less network connections, but this one only has 3. So we're going to right-click on the Plant Network, which is called LAN in this case. Go to Properties, scroll down here until Internet Protocol, click Properties again, and this is where all your IP address and subnet mask information is found. Click this little circle here to make all these boxes available. Input all those that you retrieved from your IT staff, and just click OK, and then OK again, and you can close this window. So now we should be connected to the internet. There is one more piece of information that we're going to need to get connected to your system, and that's the TeamViewer information. So TeamViewer ID, which we get from the drop-down menu, go down to TeamViewer EXE, and you're going to click Run Program. From there, there's a little bar that says ID. It's a 9-digit code, and you're just going to write that down and send it over to us. There's a password there as well. You can write that down and send it over, but it's less important. Right on. So you should be fully connected to this point, and we should be able to help you out via the remote connection and get all your problems sorted out. Thanks a lot for your time.